Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I sound so weird and I'm so sorry. I didn't think I was gonna sound like that, honestly. But anyway, I'm sure as you can tell, I don't feel good, but I still wanted to push out a video for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Then give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. Today I did a full coverage glam Valentine's Day look. I absolutely love the way it came out. I'm probably gonna do one more after this. But anyway, since I don't feel good, this is probably gonna be like a get ready with me type of thing. I'm probably just gonna play music throughout it. I don't know, who knows? Maybe by the time I'm editing this, I'll feel better and I'll do a voiceover. Maybe, because I know y'all seen the last two videos. I was struggling. Anyways, that's all I have to say. If you guys wanna see how I got this full glam Valentine's Day look, then just keep watching.
Days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have nothing else to say except please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. All my social media links are always down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.